How to add story highlights on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add the story highlights on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now obviously if you want to add a story highlight on Facebook, all you have to do is open up the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, what you want to do is just simply go to your profile page. Now here you can scroll down to all the highlights that you've created. If you want to add a story to one of your existing highlight, you can select that highlight, tap on add new, then you'll find all the stories that you might have uploaded in the past, where you can tap on add more option here. Then you can select from camera roll, or you can select from your past stories and tap on the next option. If you want to create a new highlight and add it, tap on new, then select the stories and then tap on the next option to add the story highlights. So this way you can add story highlights on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.